Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make google.com your homepage or start page in Microsoft Edge. It is super simple, guys, and I'm going to guide you through this step by step. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us get started. Now, shall we? So what you want to do is launch the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer, and here on your home screen, guys, click on these three dots in the top right corner to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, head over to this section, Start, Home, and New Tab Page here to the left. And in the following, guys, you will be given the opportunity to set a start page here or to make a custom home button as well. So if you'd like to make google.com or any other site your start page here on Microsoft Edge, simply switch from Open the New Tab Page to Open these pages. After that, click on Add a New Page here to the right. And in that window that is going to pop up, simply enter the URL of your preferred starting or homepage, which in this case here would be, for instance, google.com, and confirm by clicking on Add here. And that's all to it. It's optional, but additionally, guys, you may, for instance, give Microsoft Edge the command to redirect you to google.com or to any other custom site. Whenever you click on the home button, to do that, simply select enter URL here at the bottom and enter or paste the URL of your destination page here to confirm by clicking on save here. And whenever you click on the home button on your home screen or home page here on Microsoft Edge, you'll be redirected automatically to the given destination page. And that's all to it. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and I'll catch you later.